New York is a city a lot of skyscrapers. So this one is called the Brooklyn Tower, which is designed to be 322 meters. This is the artist image of the building, which is just beside one of the old buildings, which is to be conserved. Located at the downtown, space is very tight, and it's going to be built against the existing structure, which is meant to be preserved. So this is a 3D model to show the existing structure, which is a small function room and the very much more taller skyscrapers. Construction started with the demolition of the existing ground floor structure, which is tied to the theater room. I'm very surprised that in US, this kind of the barricade system can be adopted and approved, which is just barely using of the timber nailed together without any anchorage to the floor. US have winter, so you can see the snow on the floor. So barricade. So this is another view of the full image of the barricade. You also can see the barring work has started. They also have one boom lift is taking up the shoe. So this photo also very nice. On the left hand side, the black color netting scaffold is meant to repair the existing structure, while on the right hand side, the facade is being tied up together with the steel structure to retain the stability, so that during construction will be still in place. Digging down, remove of the existing structure, which will give way for the barring work. Taken from far. In large of the photo, you can see the existing structure and the new structure. It's just the side by side. After complete, will be merged together. Barring start a lot of the ballpark casing. So work started. I can see quite a lot of the workers is quite fat, and they don't really using the proper PPE. A lot of the casing, red color is the crawler crane. Then the boring is driving down to making the foundation support. On the right hand side, you can see the existing facade meant to be retained, so they're using the steel structure tie back and keep it in position. Another view is called the Dime Saving Bank of Brooklyn. It's an old building meant to be preserved. Casing and the boring. In this photo, there are two boring rigs in action. Nighttime also continue working. So boring, two rigs continue boring. For basement in the US, they're also using a lot of the metal formwork, which in the photo we can see they have recycled for many times. This is a mobile crane setup meant for erection of the tower crane. Tower crane, the mast is being set up. So in this photo, the tower crane is being erected halfway, but seems no continuity. The next photo may tell us some reason. Surprisingly, in US, there is also stop work order and is being issued in such a traditional manner or handwriting. So means that they go against the cross guardrail system. So I think they did bad on the fall protection. But anyway, the work resumed. So they using a lot of the J-bolt to mean for dieback to the superstructure. A lot of the conventional structure as well. They modify the excavator to be a gear. Basement retaining wall, basement walls, retaining wall, and the columns. Again, the classic photo, worker always climbing on the rebar and the work. Then the edge barricade also again made of timber. Surprisingly, going to level 3, going up. Workers are climbing on the rebar cage and just work. Then the barricade made of the timber. Another photo. Continue going up. So now they have reached level 5. One tower crane and one the concrete placing boom placed in place already. So table form has been set up. Another view from the Brooklyn Bank side. So in this photo, looks very neat already because they're using system formwork. Catch net also being deployed means that they also care about safety, at least the public safety. Safety screen, loading platform. Safety screen, loading platform, and each and every floor we're using the safety netting to close it up. Netting is orange color, something like a truck. Okay, so all the safety screen below, they're also using the black color netting to catch the debris, which mean to be fall down to the floor and hit the public. Facade in place. In US and Australia and Europe, always the facade is naked. They don't really do much protection, just exposed to the weather. So you can see the glass is so clear that it even can reflect the neighbor building. So going up very fast. Continue. Winter is coming. You see the snows on the tree. This floor is just being casted, so the floor print is very small, and this concrete placing boom is not at the core wall, it's at the slab penetration. Grid view. Facade versus the tower crane dieback, and also the worker using a scissor slave to protruding himself to the outside of the building to install the casing bracket. The view is nice. Continue going up. Another thing I cannot forget to mention is the passenger hoist. In this case, is a material hoist. They're using a Mega one to make sure all the materials, I think the facade panel also is being able to bring to the respective floor. TechNet, tower crane operator access, going to the tower crane and the material. Again, a nice view.